Right. That's why I'll have probably got other people's. Who else's dogs do y'all have out here?
That's mine.
Yours?
Yes.
Where's Marley at?
We don't have no Marley.
Yeah, you did, because he's been out here. The sheriff came out here and
I
confirmed
don't
he was
know.
out. You have my dog in that car.
Yeah, I think
And
it's
you've...
my dog now.
No, he's not. I will take you to court.
Okay.
I will take you to court.
We own it, bitch.
Hush, Ryan, stop it. God damn it.
Now,
Well, why would you assault me?
yeah, that's right. You better say spawn. That's right. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Marley, come on, Marley. Come on. Come on. I'm still pressing charges, bitch.